1,800 youths have been trained in graphic designs and 1,718 trained in smartphone repairs across the region's 6 states. The Commission established 18 ICT centers in each senatorial zone to ensure that the program gets to the targeted audience.
If you see the Northeast crisis, conflict, Boko Haram, poverty, schools children were out, terrorism worsened the situation in the region. Many people were displaced from their ancestral home. Many farmers could not even engage in farming, and the activities, everything came to a halt. The devastating effect of insurgency in the region warranted the establishment of the Northeast Development Commission. And to date, we must appreciate the effort and position of President Muhammadu Buhari, GCFR, in finally accepting and supporting the success of the Northeast Development Commission. It revealed that the Northeast Development Commission has made great strides towards achieving its mandate and managing funds recovery, stabilizing, paving the pathways to long-term development of the Northeast. The NEDC, if I can start summarizing, has made a modest intervention in different facets of society in the Northeast, which has led to considerable improvement in socio-economic activities of the Northeast.
The Commission has made a very wonderful achievement in terms of housing. The Commission has completed over 1,000 housing units in Ubon, Martha, local government area of Borno State. The Minister of Humanitarian Affairs and Disaster Management and Social Development, Sadia Farouk, commissioned the houses. The houses have been handed over to the beneficiaries. This is to show you that the Commission has been achieving a lot in terms of resettling those that have been affected one way or the other by the dastardly act of terrorism that has embedded the Northeast zone. As well as the Commission is also constructing another 500 housing units in each remaining state to relocate and resettle internally displaced persons, IDPs. This is expected to be continually carried out to ease the suffering of all affected families of the region. And indeed, having said so, the information communication technology has equally made an impact in the area aside from the provision of housing units. The Commission, in line with its strategic plan to improve access to information and communication technology, ICT, established ICT Resource Center in each of the region's 6 states, which are hosted in tertiary institutions in the state. The Commission has trained over 3,000 youths across the 6 northeastern states in ICT, with females constituting 45% of the beneficiaries. The intervention is expected to generate new and sustainable jobs for youths of all categories, cutting across the range of skills. Already, 1,800 youths have been trained in graphic designs and 1,718 trained in smartphone repairs across the region's 6 states. The Commission established 18 ICT centers in each senatorial zone to ensure that the program gets to the targeted audience.